This Smart TV's local preview walks through Fire TV volume remote. Watch the remote action first, then match the highlighted target on the TV. Fire TV volume buttons depend on equipment control. Open Settings, then Equipment Control before changing remotes. Choose Manage Equipment, TV, then Change TV. Rerunning the brand setup often restores volume and power keys. On the TV itself, enable HDMI-CEC. The name changes by brand, but the setting controls HDMI remote commands. If setup does not restore volume, reset the remote by holding left, menu, and back together, then pair it again. Use the Fire TV app as a backup remote. If navigation works but volume does not, the problem is usually equipment control or HDMI-CEC. Finally, confirm the remote actually has volume buttons. A basic Fire TV remote cannot control TV volume without the right model. That is the guided path. Scan the QR code for the full Smart TVs article, model notes, and fallback options.